Hey everybody, it's Shane from BD Diesel Performance, and today we're going to talk about lifted trucks, specifically Super Duty Fords. So you've installed a leveling kit or a lift kit in your customer's vehicle. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. The wandering, the wobble, and the general steering instability common in trucks leveled or lifted, especially in vehicles with radius arms like the Super Duty. When lifted and leveled, the radius arm now hangs at a more dropped angle or drooped down, causing the built-in factory caster to be reduced. Good news is, we have a solution. Here in front of me is the BD Cam Caster Adjustment Kit. We have this kit available for 2005 to 2010 Super Duty Fords, as well as 2011 to current. These kits are all designed, manufactured, and supported in-house for quality assurance. The complete kit is provided with all the drill bits and fixture jig plates required for install. And by following the printed manual, with a small amount of bolting and drilling, you can have the kit installed to cure many of the aforementioned wobbling, steering problems, and poor tire wear. If you have any issues during this process, feel free always to reach out to our top-rated tech support line to help you through any issues you may have. Let's look at the 2011 to current model year Super Duty Ford kit, for example. Once this kit's installed, like I have it mocked up here, and the top hole elongated, we can install supplied hardware and roll this plate backward in the radius arm. This allows the axle assembly to be rolled backward with respect to the radius arm. This will increase your positive caster by up to 3 degrees in the vehicle. Ultimately, we suggest that you get a vehicle alignment completed. However, it's not immediately necessary after install. By installing BD Diesel's Cam Caster Adjuster Kit, you can cure many of the common steering problems associated to basic leveling kits. This kit also pairs well with our heavy-duty track bar. To learn more, check out our website at bddiesel.com. Here at BD, we strive to have the best dealer install centers and support them through our national referral system. BD also has a B2B or business-to-business dealer portal that offers easy ordering and also contains install manuals, suggested install times, videos, and can show you available inventory. For more information, please reach out to us.